Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. And for today, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Pixel into your Shopify store. So for those unaware, the Facebook Pixel is a piece of code for your Shopify website that lets you measure, optimize, and build audiences for your ad campaigns on the Meta platform. You can think of this as an analytics tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions that people take on your, for example, Shopify website. So first things first, let's go to your Shopify website dashboard, and on the left-hand side underneath Online Store, let's choose the Preferences option. From the Direct Preferences menu, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that there is a Facebook Pixel option directly integrated with Shopify. Now, let's choose Set up Facebook on the right-hand side of that Facebook Pixel menu. It will redirect you to the Shopify App Store, and let's install Facebook and Instagram as an app to your Shopify store. Now choose a Shopify account you want to link the app to, and then click on Add Sales Channel on the upper right corner in order to integrate Facebook and Instagram with your Shopify store. Just give it a bit, and once you've installed the app, on the left-hand side underneath the Sales Channel and Online Store page, you can see that there's a new button that says Facebook and Instagram. If you click on the Facebook and Instagram button, as you can see, you can immediately start selling on Facebook and Instagram through your Shopify store. What's great about this app is that it's free and it only takes a few minutes of your time to set up. And the moment it's approved, you can start adding products to your catalog and selling them directly on Facebook and Instagram. So for now, let's click on Start Setup. And here on the Set Up Your Shop page, you can choose to connect your Facebook account to your Shopify store. So go ahead and click on Connect Account. Once you've connected a Facebook account to the shop, we can now go down and click on Business Assets. Here, we've already set up a Meta Business account, which is a Facebook page for the store Jaunty Dudes. Go ahead and select it and click on Connect to connect this Facebook page store to your Shopify store. Now, let's go to the Data Sharing page and choose our data sharing preferences. For now, we want to go with Enhanced in order to use the Facebook Pixel Advanced Matching and Conversions API. This will allow us to keep track of the best analytics and most appropriate and effective ad technologies for Shopify. Once we've set up our data sharing options and we've connected the data sharing option to the Facebook store that we chose, we can now move on to accepting the terms and conditions of setting up our shop. Once you've accepted the terms and conditions, go ahead and feel free to review all the settings that we've set previously. We can even set the data sharing option to go from enhanced to maximum in order to make use of all the available analytics and options for our Facebook store. Now, let the setup finish, and after the entire setup progress is done, we want to connect our Shopify account to Meta. So firstly, choose the I've completed the setup on Shopify tick box. Now, in order to verify that Pixel is working properly, Facebook has to review the sales channel by testing network traffic. So go ahead and input the URL for your Shopify store in order to test the network traffic. Then we want to go back to our Meta dashboard and go to Add Accounts. And we want to create a new ad account for our Facebook page. Follow the steps shown here in order to create a new ad account for our store Jaunty Dudes. As you can see, we've created a new ad account and can see the accounts with proper and full control for this said account. Then on the left-hand side, if you click on Pixels, we can then set the options to connect our Shopify account to Meta. And once you completed all the setups on Shopify and the Meta dashboard, congratulations, you've now installed Facebook Pixels on your Shopify account. Feel free to explore the settings in order to see all the different options and analytics that you can see by connecting your Facebook Pixels to your Shopify account. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. If you liked this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorial content. If you have any other questions or inquiries, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.